Yo asha for ya be piemu ewo baby ya paragliding no aya e take place into osha sro ha say ya ubehu say imbimu chese omo etufa ewo wiem a chese enya agrokra enije enko a aha ene ye entrance no nti me cameraman bedi mechi na chese yakọ ene amanfo akọtwetwe enkomo kofi wa ha say de mene ne betwetwe enkomo ba ko mienu bi ebisi afi kofi o she kasa apaki wa ha say any environment na then na obetumi aka fa ho.
All right, Kakasi, like this is not my first time being here, okay? Like my ba happen and there was share a hand ma ho kekana e broso and when we say afi bia no kwawu no de kankan parachute na yetu ha say na ye hu no ba me nua tuga so e wa ha so kan ye tuga ono so be gbaruam no wa kire na adwen.
Okay, tuga environment na say atmosphere ne sen.
Oh, aha na mo de wa wani tua se oba ha na mo a obia expect se obeba ha na mo isan se oba ha na mo a ani gie no na afenso no the way environment ne tie no I said ya wo enkrofo ya akwantu mu bi what you say yes okay. Because ye fiti say ye ba fiti endra ma felisa whether no actually sa ka we ka me dofo bi wo me chen aka sembesi what you say because whether na no den and na wo ba mu a wo hu say yes we ram people mu nnua what you say nature ya adwuma wa ha na mo eno so kan nti no me Philip papa na said dia wa woni tua no ye be hwe say omo amu tutu fa wiem no yenso ye betumi atu afa wiem bi ye ntumi antukura na ye be hunu da.
In there a Friday na me sisi anka bia paragliding no be Saturday but then oshe ha say ya any atmosphere na chese amanfo omaba ha say no edo so pa yiye a chese osha kwan ye ba wo kwan so no e chese there are more to come osha sponsors bi mu nso ana say ekukudam bi omo tai dwumedie echi a utumi hu MTN no say everywhere you go sounds na bella kwafo nso abepie mu e wa ha say ye hu opposed for bebre enso wa ha say a chese omo hye ama bainbo akoso ai na awofo ne nkora eni chese abrofo mi hu indian fo bi kran so wa around a chese omunyina bakwewu ahase yo ashefo ni etiefo se ne edi kankan no ya bepie wo odwen anoma paragliding field that say menya ahofefo mienu bi a menya omba becheche nkomo but before that be somebody please what's your name?
Marcia,
and please your name?
Chelsea.
Where are you from?
Abetifi.
So I can see you from here but then your accent doesn't show that you're from here. So where are you where do you stay before you came here?
Yeah, Accra.
Are you sure this your accent doesn't suit Accra? You have different accents altogether. No, I know you're a full Ghanaian, but I'm talking of your accent.
That's how I talk.
That's how you talk. Oh, okay. So, is it your first time coming to Kwahu?
Yeah, this is my first time.
But you said you're from Abetifi.
Yeah, I mean I come from Asin.
Okay.
Where I come from, but I've not been here before.
Okay. So why do you decided to come here this very year?
My parents and my family were like, okay, this Easter we should come and know where we come from. Okay. Yes, and we should know how the place is so that at least we came here to come and tour. And this day is not that bad. It's a very nice day. It's a very cool place.
Okay, Chelsea. Is it your first time coming to Kwahu?
No.
You've been here a couple of times. This is your second time. And have you been to the paragliding field or today is your first time? Oh, okay. So have you been to other places?
I've been to Rock City.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Have you also been to Rock City?
I'm now going to be there.
Yeah, yet to go. Oh, okay. So your final message to your loved ones?
Okay, what I can say is
no, I want you to say it in Chi because you said you're from Kwahu.
Dear me can say yeah, baby, I free. Now, Mr. Oh, now me experiences some certain things. You get me? Yeah.
Okay. Chelsea, your final words?
I will tell my family.
No, in Chi.
person may catch him maybe saying for say in Germany and they should and sorry and bra my hometown so that mama
Okay.
baby I'm free.
Okay. Okay, it's fun having you guys. Thank you so much. Okay.